Did you know that in 2025, over 66% of American workers are experiencing burnout and nearly 67% are living paycheck to paycheck? If you're powering through endless days feeling drained, unfulfilled, and financially stretched, whether juggling boardroom demands or family commitments, you're not alone, but it doesn't have to stay that way. Today, we're breaking free from the traditional 9-to-5 trap. I'll reveal unconventional paths to true financial freedom that blend proven wellness with smart, referral-driven entrepreneurship, paths that fit seamlessly into your busy life. Let's face it, the conventional 9-to-5 grind is tougher than ever. Endless hours lead to chronic burnout, leaving you emotionally drained and physically depleted. Many feel trapped, lacking fulfillment, with little time for what truly matters. Financially, it's a constant struggle. With costs rising faster than wages for many, over 2/3 of us are living paycheck to paycheck, barely covering essentials like housing, groceries, and childcare. There's no buffer for emergencies, let alone dreams like travel or legacy building. This cycle erodes vitality, strains relationships, and dims aspirations for autonomy. Whether you're a professional climbing the ladder or a caregiver holding it all together, these pressures build relentlessly until something has to give. I know this firsthand. For years, I chased traditional paths, freelancing gigs that demanded irregular hours, entrepreneurship attempts that felt overwhelming alongside my full-time job, and passive income ideas that never quite took off. Everything changed when I discovered a referral-driven model centered on evidence-based wellness products. From botanical powerhouses like Tahitian Noni fruit, rich in over 275 phytonutrients for immune support and energy, to clean pea protein blends for daily vitality. It wasn't about quitting cold turkey. I started sharing these scientifically backed solutions, things that genuinely boosted my own health and mood, with my network. No inventory hassles, no high-pressure sales, just authentic recommendations that aligned with my insights on wellness. The turning point? Realizing I could leverage personal networks into sustainable income without upfront risks. With their low barrier entry, just activate with a simple kit and share. You earn retail profits, base commissions up to 15% on unlimited lines, plus bonuses like new volume incentives and matching generations. I took action, committed consistent effort, partnered with like-minded people, and hit milestones that unlock travel rewards, savings bonuses, and even lifetime matching earnings. One pivotal month, sharing products that transform my energy, led to my first significant commission cycle, and quarterly escapes became reality. Brand partners worldwide echo this. From record-breaking earners enjoying luxurious incentives to those building legacy income while enhancing lives through natural, clinically rigorous nutrition. In summary, escaping the 9-to-5 starts with recognizing the traps of burnout and financial strain. Then embracing flexible, referral-based paths that fuse botanical wellness with proven earning potential. It's about reclaiming vitality, autonomy, and fulfillment on your terms. Ready to explore this for yourself? Visit partnernetpro.com today to learn more about our compensation plan and life-changing products. Share your 9-to-5 escape story in the comments. What's one step you're taking toward freedom? And check out our next video on proven wellness strategies for lasting energy. Let's build this together.